Smoked Parmesan yellow squash. 1 yellow squash. 2 bags of Parmesan cheese. 1 second, the wife just had stuff delivered. Okay, all clear. Wash and slice that shit. Then. Technical foul for swearing. Get the rack ready. Go cry on the couch because today was leg day. Put the squash on the baking rack. Spray and brush both sides of the squash with olive oil. Lightly brush. Lightly season with garlic powder and pepper. Put about a pinch of cheese on each slice. Turn your Traeger onto 450 degrees. Once warm, put the squash in the Traeger. Cook for about that long. Serve with medium rare London broil. Then you need to double tap and follow.